Hey, this is For Life Kitchens greeting you on this wonderful day. And today we're going to do something that is quick and healthy in just a moment. First of all, I want to just mention when I started down this road a couple of years ago thinking about retirement, I wanted to do some posting between my food site, my art site, and my ministry site. So I was having a little fun. I never dreamed that I would have all these subscribers looking at what I'm doing. And so I just want to, first of all, thank you because my mind doesn't even go that direction. I'll throw something together for fun, and it seems like it's working. So today, after watching my grandson William do that most fabulous oatmeal in the world, I thought I better do something at least it's not as fabulous, but pretty good, and that's a granola. And I love granola, but it's always so sweet. It's always laden with so much sugar. So, hey, I got to tell you, I've been practicing, and today we're going to put this together. I tried it again yesterday. This is my 6th or 7th attempt. It's all come out nicely. But yesterday, I didn't preheat the oven the way I should have, and I wrecked it. Sometimes we do that. But today, I'm going to do it right. These are the ingredients. There's 2 cups of oatmeal. Half a cup of pecans or walnuts, whatever you like. I'm going to use pepita seeds today, or pumpkin, or sunflower, and there's 1/4 cup. And then a half a cup of coconut, shredded coconut. So it's as simple as taking the oatmeal, 2 cups, maybe a little bit more, the pecans. There we have the pepitas, the coconut. And let me reach over here, and I will grab my little pan. What I did was I melted 2 tablespoons of high-grade coconut oil, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of wonderful maple syrup. So here we have that. We're going to mix that together. I think I'll put a little cinnamon. I didn't do this last time, but I'm going to put about like a half a teaspoon maybe. Just mix it in. And just thoroughly mix it. All we're going to do is take a pan. I like to use parchment paper on my cookie sheet. This is how fast this is, and it's very, very good. I first got connected with this with my daughter-in-law. This is William's mom. I've tried doubling the batch. I wouldn't do that unless you use 2 different cookie sheets because it doesn't cook evenly. So I hope that's enough information, but that's how I made this work. Then all we're going to do is put it in the oven. I did this at 300 degrees, but instead of 20 minutes, I did it 25. And it just came out really nice. If you take a look, it's some of it stuck together. So you can tell here, it's got a nice feel to it. And that's what you want. If you want a little sweeter, you can always add sweetener, but this has worked good for me. And so 300 degrees at 25 minutes, and you just have to play with it, but don't get it overdone. I like using raisins, but not in the cooking process because they get too hard. So add your fruit, strawberries, raisins at the end, and it will be a delight.